Hey man, what are you working on over there?
Do you remember that idea I had for the dog leash, but it allows the dogs to walk you?
Yeah, I do.
I'm trying to figure that out, but I can't get past the part where how the dogs would get to you, because dogs can't drive.
But would the dogs be then walking the people or driving the people?
I didn't even think of that. That's good. Dogs walk.
Bless you.
Thanks.
What?
No, bless you?
I don't really feel the need to bless after the first sneeze.
Well, why not? You did it on the first one, so why wouldn't you? It's the same thing.
I just think it's a little like attention seeking when people sneeze like that.
It was a sneeze.
Yeah, but like usually like it's people when people sneeze it's like sneeze sneeze then oh bless you. But it's like sneeze sneeze bless you. That just seems like you just want a reaction out of me.
Well, I'm sorry my sneezes weren't close enough together to meet your standards. I didn't do this to hurt you.
Yeah, well, I'm sorry you felt the need to sneeze so many times and have allergies. So
Is this about the dog leash?
it's not about the dog leash. It's about the fact that you can't sneeze closer together.
It's not about me. It's just polite.
Well, I just think it's silly to bless someone twice. It's like you're forcing religion on me. I don't think that's fair.
You know what? Find someone else to make a dog leash with.
Fine, like whatever.
Find another golden goose.
Fine.
Good day.
That's ridiculous, man.